Let's take a look at this case. A pickup truck is entering an underground parking lot that requires a U-turn to get in. Because the vehicle is large, you can see the driver turning around multiple times on the spot before finally aligning the front of the truck with the entrance. However, in the end, the large size of the vehicle caused it to get stuck in the passage. Let's roughly simulate the situation on site. First, we've already turned the vehicle like this. Actually, at this point, there is no need to control the extreme distances of the front and rear of the vehicle like the driver did. Actually, at this time, we only need to straighten the steering wheel and reverse the vehicle all the way back, because from the video it can be seen that there is still plenty of space behind right. Then simply turn the wheel fully to the left and move forward a bit, then turn fully to the right and move in again. With this operation, both the front and the body space immediately become available, and there is no need to control the distances so extremely right. So in situations like this, when we are close, what precautions should we take from start to finish? Let's explain. First, when entering, we must keep the vehicle body as far away from the inner side as possible, that is, try to stick to the left side and move forward. Then we must try to move the vehicle forward as much as possible. The goal is to move the rear wheels forward more. Don't start turning the wheel too early because although you can turn the vehicle around after turning the wheel, the rear wheels will be too close to the inner wall, making the U-turn difficult. So we need to move forward as much as possible, even if it means leaving less space for the front of the vehicle, that's okay. Then we start the U-turn, turn the wheel fully, move forward. If you can't get through, straighten the wheel in reverse, then repeat slowly and carefully, right? Slowly turn the front of the vehicle around. Also, each time you turn, try to straighten the wheel so you don't overcorrect. Because overcorrecting will cause the vehicle body to lean inward too much. So we straighten and reverse slowly, adjusting little by little until we reach the same predicament as the driver. When turning further in, there is not enough space at the front and the rear is too close to that side wall. At this point, we use the method mentioned earlier. That is, straighten the vehicle and push it all the way back, then turn left and move forward, then turn right and move forward. If you still can't get through in one go, you can straighten the vehicle and push it all the way back again, then adjust left and right. The more times you adjust left and right, the more space you will have on both sides and the safer it will be when you pass through.